Definitely okay. Sir, can you hear me properly? Sir, your video is.
Unmute whoever.
Yeah, sir. Just now, I think everything seems to be fine. So, I just wanted to tell you that Miss Kowal is a little bit busy today, so I will be hosting this session with you. So, we need to, we will be together in the same boat in order to educate people here. So, without any further delay, I would like you to continue with the way you did. Like, there were like basically two questions that were being asked by you, responses of the same answers along with you as well. From my side, now I am getting the session to you, so you can start.
Achha, can I quickly request? There's a lot of noise coming from your end. Can that end somehow?
Sir, a noise from our side?
Yeah, I think दो तीन लोग जो है ना वो unmute हुए हैं बेटा.
So let me have a look at it. Yeah, yeah. Sir, I have muted all of them. Now it's okay.
Oh, much better. Much better. Much better. Okay, so now my video is coming. Okay. Okay. Acha ji, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Thank you so much for your responses. We were a bit late, and but yeah, that's typically us. We are supposed to be late. I have a little twist for you people. In the middle of the session somewhere, I've invited somebody over. They might be joining us. We're hoping so. Now, coming back to your questions that I had asked, Muhammad Qasim cannot hear my voice. Sanila Arshad cannot hear my voice. Is it better now? Hello?
Sir, we can hear you properly. If someone is not hearing Saraj Lal, please raise your hand so that we can solve the issue. So it's clear. It's clear from every side. You can start the session. Yeah.
Okay.
Hassan?
Circling back, I think first question was that what your personal branding should include. Your personal branding, लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारे जवाब दिए. I'm very happy that honesty and integrity was right up there. Coming from academia, that should be the case as well. Let's talk about a little bit about the real world. Okay. So now, आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने various disciplines में अपने masters किया है, various disciplines में आप आगे जाना चाहते हैं, various disciplines में आपको अपना future pursue करना है. Not all of you would become educationists, right? Maybe for some of you, this is merely a stepping stone. Even if you wanted to be an educationist, I believe to educate, it is much better to have the experience of the real world first, then come back and educate our children in what is actually happening in the field, and not just what the book says. Although books have been written now by experienced veterans of the industry, but yeah, आजकल जितनी तेजी से चीजें change हो रही हैं, it is impossible to keep up. I'm typing a concept which is called VUCA, right? I would like you to go back and do research on this. Why is this not going? Send chat to everyone in the meeting. Okay, so now this VUCA is a concept which we've been working on internationally. In Pakistan, we've been working on it for a couple of years, and now, lo and behold, आजकल जो situation है, it is exactly what this demands. Go through it. और कुछ नहीं होगा तो शायद एक नई चीज आप सीख लेंगे. Is it possible that हम ये बीपिंग साउंड इसका किसी तरीके से बंद कर सकें? ऐसा हो सकता है ये जो this keeps on beeping every time somebody enters the waiting room or whatever, और ये chimes बंद हो सके? They're very distracting.
सर वापस से क्या वर्ड इज डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो chimes आ रही हैं, जो notifications आती हैं, बंद हो सकती हैं?
At least they should not. So let me have a look at it. Yeah, you continue.
Thank you. So now coming back, how many of you actually know the industry professionals जिस industry में इस वक्त आप काम कर रहे हैं? So कुछ economists होंगे, कुछ HR के professionals होंगे, कुछ science में काम कर रहे होंगे, कुछ off my head बाज लोग chemical engineering के किए हुए होंगे और वो पढ़ा रहे होंगे, बाज लोग होंगे जो कि they must be अभी digital age की बात कर रहे हैं. See, professionally and personally nowadays is the same thing. There's not much difference anymore. Point is that they should know who you are. At least they should pretend to remember you. You should be that good. That's very important, right? So you have various disciplines to know. Do you know people of your industry? And how well do you know them? Do you know them enough to pick up the phone and ask them to come over and give a chat or give an hour's lecture to your students? If you don't, it's high time that you should. Okay? And there's no shame in reaching out to people. And you will need to find ways on how to engage with them. Fantastic. People who do, I'm very happy for you. But they should also not stop. They should also have people who, one, are climbing up the ladder in that field, and two, the people who are them, you should be well versed with them. You should be on, if not first name basis, at least name basis with them, right? Now coming back, what would that help with? How would that contribute? Maybe it will tell you where you need to be, right? Economics is not all about research, is it? हम economics का example इसलिए कह रहे हैं क्योंकि आजकल economy की band मुझे भी है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह और yeah, I don't want to get into the politics of it, but the reality of it is कि what do? Who was a good economist in our near history? अभी तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही. I don't know what Asad Umar Saab is doing. I used to be a huge fan, but unfortunately, yeah, I really don't see anything happening. Maybe I'm not being pessimistic, but just saying. यहाँ पे कोई जानता है असद उमर साहब को personally? और अगर जानता है तो that is fantastic. Now that would get that person a foot in the door into the Prime Minister's office, into the government right now, if you knew him, right? That's my point. That's one. Two, shouldn't you be contributing towards the betterment of not just the students, but also the betterment of the society, right? Two. Three, where do you see yourself? How do you picture yourself? Okay, when you are 65 और लोग पूछते हैं कि जी आपने जिंदगी में क्या किया, आप क्या बताएंगे आपने क्या किया? What would your answer be? Where would you like to be? Who would you like to be known as? And where would you like to see yourself? Where would you like your family to see yourself. Okay? Are you doing so? How many students are you in touch with who are now working in the professional fields? I know a lot of you are not that old. Mashallah, you're young blood. But that being said, even being young blood, you need to stay up to date what's happening in the market, right? So, कोई banking and finance से है, how many bankers do you know? Right? How many, अगर कोई medical sciences से related है, how many doctors do you know? Not the doctors you actually go to. I mean, actually people who are making a difference. How many of you would know who is the head of, say, Institute of Skin Diseases, Pakistan right now? Nobody would. Maybe some would. Off chance, right? So similarly, if you were told to throw an event in your own discipline, okay? Now that discipline could be anything. Would you be able to do an event, a complete event on your own? Honestly. Irshad, what is your, आपका कौन सा discipline है? You are right that there are many factors behind the situation, but उन factors को बनाने वाले भी हम हैं, उन factors को खत्म करने वाले भी हम हैं. That is what I'm trying to portray here. That is what I'm trying to put across here. ठीक है? Agreed. सब कुछ मैं मान लेता हूँ. I agree to everything that you're saying. Okay. Pandemic सब कुछ कर सकता है. Pandemic आपके कपड़े पहनने का तरीका नहीं चेंज कर सकता. Pandemic आपके people skills नहीं चेंज कर सकता. Pandemic आपके outgoing personality को चेंज नहीं कर सकता. Pandemic आपके etiquettes को नहीं चेंज कर सकता. Pandemic आपकी persistence को नहीं चेंज कर सकता. Pandemic आपके mindset को नहीं चेंज कर सकता. देखिए मेरा बड़ा simple सा रूल है. The brain is there for you. You're not there for your brain. The brain should be in your control. You should not be in your brain's control. It is dangerous to be in control of your brain, and it is powerful that when that brain is in your control. So you need to control your brain. अभी अगर आप सोचें ना, अगर अभी आप सोचें कि मेरे पेट में दर्द है, by God, in 3 minutes, और वैसे भी पेंडेमिक के दिनों में तो किसी को भी पेट में दर्द होता भी है तो बंदा कहते हैं नहीं नहीं मुझे कुछ भी नहीं, गले में दर्द नहीं है, right? But that being said, अगर आप अभी सोचेंगे ना तो आपका ब्रेन इतना पावरफुल है that it actually give you a stomach. आप कहेंगे मेरे हाथ में दर्द है, you won't be able to use this arm in next 20 minutes. Why? Because your brain is that powerful. If it has that much power, why can't you control it to drive it into the positive direction? वो कहते हैं ना कि अच्छा सोचना चाहिए, अच्छा कहना चाहिए, अच्छी बात करनी चाहिए. You never know what comes from where. You never know आपके आसपास कौन है, आपसे मिल कौन रहा है, आपके इर्द गिर्द कौन है. Always have positive thoughts. Always have a good demeanor. Demeanor से मुझे एक और चीज जो which I would like to talk about is we work with multiple personalities के लोग, and then these multiple personality के जो लोग हैं, they have come from different eras as well, right? If yes, circle of influence, fantastic. ये जो different eras के लोग थे ना, पुराने ज़माने में bureaucracy used to be the way. अब it is sadly not that case anymore. 1, 2, please एक चीज को ना बड़ा categorically clear कर. कुछ चीजों में ना आपको अल्लाह सुब्हानहू तआला पे चीजें छोड़ देनी चाहिए, मगर that should not be the case for most of those things. Allah will make sure that He will give you what you deserve. or more. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is super kind. मेरे साथ बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत फिट किस्म की, pardon my French, but पैड़ी की हैं. But yeah, too bad. At the end of the day, I'm happy. I'm doing phenomenally well. मौला का एक कॉल है कि अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला बाज़ दफ़ा आपकी दुआएं इसलिए नहीं मानता और इसलिए उस पे हाँ नहीं करता क्योंकि आप दानिस्ता तौर पे अपने लिए तकलीफ या नुकसान मांग रहे होते हैं. That being said, हम बात कर रहे थे कि जी आप दानिस्ता तौर पे अपने लिए बुराई मांग रहे थे. मेरी humble request आप लोगों से ये है कि you need to make sure that you are at it 24/7 or for your betterment, right? And how will you do that? How will you stay on 24/7 for your betterment? You need to think of new ideas. You need to push your limit. Please do not give me this nonsense कि सर हमारे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं होता, हमारे पास तो ऐसा नहीं होता, हमारे पास वैसे नहीं होता. देखिए जब आपने कोई चीज, he does listen, yes he does. असल में होता ये है कि I don't think I'm really good at multitasking. जब मैं ये पढ़ता हूँ तो I kind of lose my train of thought. But I do want to keep reading this so that I know what you guys are thinking and what you guys are responding. Coming back, I believe that you need to keep pushing yourself and pushing your limits. They say that if you don't want to do something, जब दिल से आप कुछ नहीं करना चाहते ना, तो you find an excuse. That excuse could be as lame as कल करेंगे, आज थका हूँ, हमारी preparation पूरी नहीं है, ये काम मुझे पूरा नहीं आता. And then there are things जो कि आप करना चाहते हैं ना, तो you find a way to do it. By hook or by crook, you just do it, right? When was the last time you wanted to do something which everybody said you cannot do, but you still did it, right? Yes, strong character with continuity of a follow-up routine, fantastic. They say you need 12 to 15 days अपनी कोई भी आदत को पुख्ता करने में, कोई भी नई habit form करने में. So how about this? You spend on a daily basis 10 minutes on Duolingo and learn a new language. I know कि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग इस वक्त काम कर रहे हैं on learning new languages, but जो नहीं करते, I would like you guys to do that, right? Then I would also like कि आप लोगों के पास ना इतनी amazing university का access है और लाहौर में बहुत और भी अच्छे institutions हैं. I would like you to encash that opportunity as well. You should also look at Coursera. ठीक है? I know it is maybe you'll find a way one day just in UMT Coursera के courses offer around. Inshallah, fingers crossed. But that being said, you guys need to do that first, right? 3, I would like you people to think of an alternate revenue stream. अच्छा, alternate revenue stream पे हम दोबारा आएंगे. अभी हम एक बात जो मैं बात थोड़ी देर पहले करना चाह रहा था, वो ये था कि हम हमारे इर्द गिर्द बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग काम करते हैं जो कि डिफरेंट माइंडसेट के होते हैं, डिफरेंट एरर्स से काम कर आए होते हैं. खुदा बख्शे मेरे वालिद साहब जो थे, he was a through and through banker. He was a banker for almost 45 years, right? जिसमें से 36 साल उन्होंने सिर्फ एक ही बैंक में. तो इमेजिन 36 years आपने सिर्फ एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम किया, एंड उसके कुछ लवाजमात थे, कुछ तौर तरीके थे, उसके कुछ कल्चर था. Cultures have shifted very quickly. Same goes for the cultures at your university as well, right? टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, मगर माजरत के साथ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट से ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, that's one. जहाँ पे मैंने सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट का लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया, जिसे कहते हैं इज्जत नफ्स, अलमिया ये है, unfortunately people confuse self respect with ego. These are two very different animals altogether. इनमें लड़ाई बहुत पतली है, मगर हम ईगो को कंफ्यूज करते हैं सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट से. आपका जो बॉस होता है ना, वो should we not promote Islamic culture with modern needs of our society? Absolutely, we should. We should. मगर उसके लिए हमें पढ़ने की भी जरूरत है ना. हमारा अलमिया ये है कि हमारे इर्द-गिर्द कौन है जो इतना एमांसिपेटेड है, जो कि आपको मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड के बारे में बताए while staying in the Islamic circle. आप तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं कर सकते. मगर मैं इस वक्त रिलीजियस डिस्कशन में नहीं पढ़ना चाहता. Let's come back and keep it a little bit more professional. But yes, हमारा इस्लाम भी तो यही सिखाता है, to be courteous but assertive, ठीक है, to be respectful yet maintaining your own self-respect. That is important. So now, ego should not come while on job of any type. Absolutely, ego should not step in. It's supposed to be left at home or in the car, right? Before you are to fix. Now, when we talk about ego, अगर आपका बॉस आपको पब्लिकली ह्यूमिलिएट करे, sorry, I was on
Sir, maybe there's some internet connection issue from your side. Is it okay now?
Perfect. It's
Okay,
reconnected.
fine. Okay, great.
So we were talking about egos and self-respect. That being said, give respect and have respect, absolutely. But then at times you need people take offering respect as a sign of weakness, as a sign of being below them or something. Okay? Yes, you should give respect, but then you demand respect. It's continuously disturbed. What, Shaheen, what is disturbing? I hope not me.
I can hear him properly. What about other people? Sir, there is, I don't know what is wrong here. Hello?
Just give me a second. I will. If you can give me like 2 minutes, I'll be right back. Okay.
Guys, hold for a second. I think that maybe he has some kind of an internet issue. So, can you hear us?
I do. Just need to give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure, sir. Take your time, guys. We are just holding this session for like 2 seconds. He is going somewhere, so yeah. Every person who is entering this session is allowed to enter. there it takes a little bit of time, so no need to worry. I am monitoring all the situation. Yeah. Guys, I just want to ask you that till the time he comes, can you hear me properly? And how is the session going? Like, do you people like it when it comes to engaging you in such kind of activities? Okay, that's great. Maybe he is bringing some headphones, or maybe he is trying to get his connectivity done again, so that everything is being done properly. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Sultan, if other people can hear me properly, it means that there is some connection with your side. You need to disconnect and then reconnect again. Okay, that's great, Anzar. Good to hear that you are liking the session. Okay, that's great. Now he's coming back. I can see his shadow. Yeah.
I apologize, guys.
Welcome back, sir. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now circling back, I would also like very much that we while in the office, मुझे नहीं समझ आती, and the good part was that your feedback told me that you have a lot of, all of you, most of you have official email addresses, which gives me the satisfaction that जी आपके पास official email addresses हैं, and you should be able to coordinate all official emails. A lot of conversations, a lot of orders, a lot of discussions happen verbally, right? So we're having a conversation right now, और हम गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं और हम बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं. Same goes for your seniors, same goes for your peers, same goes for your management, whatever. My humble request is, please document everything. I mean, everything. देखिए, I belong to a sales background. So sales में हम ये करते थे कि मैं जब मैंने एक हैबिट डेवलप कर ली थी, उस अच्छा ज़माना हुआ करता था, ब्लैकबेरी का ज़माना होता था, ये स्मार्टफोन बल्कि जो इन्होंने हमें इडियट्स बना दिया. बट ब्लैकबेरी के ज़माने का फ़ायदा ये होता था कि मैंने ऑलरेडी ईमेल बनाई होती थी कि it was lovely meeting you today. We discussed the following points. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. So मैं ऑफिस से अगले के ऑफिस से निकल के जब तक गाड़ी में पहुंचता था, मैंने वो पॉइंट्स लिख के उसको ईमेल कर दिया था. There have been multiple times कि मुझे अगले का फोन आता था and people would say, yes, we will talk about hinting appropriately. Don't worry. So मुझे अगले का फोन आता था saying कि अभी तो आप निकले और आपकी ईमेल आ गई. तो मैं कहा, that's what a BlackBerry is for, or that's what a smartphone is for. And I didn't want that we should sleep on it, I should forget it, or you should forget it. So I might as well seal the deal. When it comes to bureaucracy, or when it comes to business, the best way of whatever they're saying is to document it. Okay, sir, reference our meeting dated so and so. You have been kind enough to guide me in the following things, and our topics of discussion were so A, B, C, D, E. Working on A with your permission or whatever. Now there will be certain things which may not be your liking. So आप उनसे approval ले लें. Okay, sir, reference our discussion dated so and so. Your approval is requested on the form. Believe me, if it is not to be done, if it is something which is not, I think, enough said. You understand, I've just given you a way on how to do it. One. Two, the other place that it helps you is that when you have it documented, pardon my French, but people, your ass is down. and that is important. Day one, rule number one, you need to keep yourself covered. So documentation would get you there. Two, when you document everything, what it does is कि at the end of the year, जब आपसे कोई पूछता है ना appraisal में आपने क्या किया सारा साल, so you can actually take out that documentation and say जी ये मैंने सारा कुछ किया, क्योंकि मुझे खुद भूल जाता है. I do so many things in a day and I keep on forgetting it. So साल के end तक कौन याद रख सकता है कि मैंने कौन कौन से स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट्स किए थे, क्योंकि हमारे जेडी में इंक्लूडेड होता है. ठीक है. Helps, yes, it helps you to take follow-up on timelines. It helps you get away with embarrassment that is sourced or because of somebody else. So that means you are covered either way. It does not reflect badly on you. Rather, I would prefer somebody on my team who would document everything. Reference our discussion, reference our meeting, reference our conference call, reference our presentation, so and so is discussed. Start practicing it, please. Humble request. इससे एक और जो अच्छी चीज होगी वही होगी कि आपके vocabulary की practice हो जाएगी, आपकी writing skills की practice हो जाएगी, and people will start appreciating the fact that you document everything. देखो सारी जिंदगी आप एक जगह पे तो नहीं रहेंगे, सारी जिंदगी में आप एक तरह के लोगों के साथ नहीं रहेंगे. You will move on, they will move on, you might stay here, maybe the university will change, somebody else might acquire it. You never know what's going to come your way. But when you perfect it, when you fine-tune your personality traits, they always work in your favor. ठीक है, वो कहते हैं ना, broken watch tells the correct time twice a day. Might as well play it that way. ठीक है. एक और humble request, एक और बहुत humble request. मेरे जो yes, it helps with overcoming, handing over things to your successor, and SOPs develop कर लेना. SOPs develop करने का एक बहुत बड़ा फायदा, aside from the fact कि आप किसी के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम करके जा रहे हैं, you'll be able to put your name on those SOPs developed by, say, Miss Hamna Bhatt. I always pronounce her name. I used to have a friend whose naam Hana tha. She used to write it in this wall, so that's why. So now coming back, not only these SOPs will help the other person, it will help you in the future to further develop better SOPs. Good SOPs lead to strong leadership and management skills. People appreciate such things. People appreciate such skill set. Also, I would humbly request कि आपको चाहिए कि आप अपने फील्ड से अलावा भी किसी स्किल सेट को साथ साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा नर्चर करें. And please, you all need to be savvy on how to use systems. We were discussing, salutations. Salutation is when you refer to somebody as in a title. So अमूमन आप लोग अपने bosses के लिए ना sir का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Sir, when they are your teacher, is correct. But sir, when they become your bosses, is something that I would like to defer. मेरे मेंटोर होते थे, उन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत नई जॉब शुरू की थी, उन्होंने मुझे अपने पास बुलाया, अल्लाह उनको लंबी जिंदगी दे, बहुत सक्सेस थे. He's like an elder brother to me. He's mashallah right now CEO of Accounting. उन्होंने मुझे अपने पास बुलाया और मैं उनके पास बैठते हार्डली 30-40 सेकंड तुमने मुझे 7 दफा सर कहा. 7 times you said the word sir. Now this sir जो होता है ना, इससे लोग सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं, right? Unless and until the person is your teacher, you cannot call them sir. It should be sir till you do not know their name, right? उसके बाद it should be Ijlal Sahab, Anis Sahab, Miss Kanwal, etc. etc. Right? आप मैडम कह सकते हैं गाने में. मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ कि मैं खवातीन को मैम को मैडम नहीं कहता. M-A-M, ma'am, right? Why? Because I reckon it's much more decent. I have a different tangent when it comes to dealing with you. जो मुझसे छोटी होती है मैं उनको बेटा या बाबा कह देता हूँ. अब वो 5 चीजें तो and good thing is there's a lot of things that I can get away with. You guys can't right now, but you will eventually, inshallah. So now coming back, please. It also shows कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा जब censor करते हैं ना तो it shows कि maybe you lack somewhere. People don't take it as a sign of respect. People take it as a sign of how should I put it? बहुत सारे लोग जो है ना कान भराई के किस्म में बिलीव करते हैं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जिनमें बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं होता ना तो do mind get offended if we don't call them sir. आप यस सर इजलाल कहना शुरू करो. नाम पे था सिर्फ सर मत रखिए. ठीक है. स्लोली एंड स्टडीली वो जब सर इजलाल होंगे फिर इजलाल साहब हो जाएंगे. इजलाल बॉस कर दो. सर को निकालने की कोशिश. ठीक है. यस. With the passage of time, yes, but is it worth wasting your time or somebody else's time for it? Is my humble question. Again, there are certain things you need to take charge of ASAP. You need to do it like yesterday, guys. You need to change your things. You need to take control of what happens around you and how it should turn out, how it should be driven, how it should be taken forward. You need to take charge of that. Right? Then there are certain things that I would really like you should concentrate on, and some एक तो please make sure कि one, two, आप कभी भी अपना personal phone how to take charge nicely and without interruption. How to take charge. Charge from somebody or taking charge as in becoming in charge. You need to make, I can all right now tell you about how to become all in all and impressive, but I cannot talk about
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, but your voice is not clear and the video is also stuck right now. Sir, can you hear me? Sir, I cannot hear you properly. Sir, can you hear me properly? Sir, can you hear me properly? Hello?
yeah, I can.
Sir, yeah, now you can speak. Yeah, continue, please.
Sir? Okay, can you please mute everybody?
Sir, everyone is muted now. You can open your mic. Hello. Sir, can you hear me? Sir Ijlal, are you there? Sir, are you there?
जी सर
Sir, there is some internet connectivity issue
so
from
we
your
were
side.
talking about
I cannot see your picture,
wonderful.
nor your voice.
Use your
Sir, your voice is not clear. I can't even see the video as well. Guys, I think that there is some kind of internet connectivity issue. Just wait, let him solve that issue so that he can connect again. Hold for a second. Sir Ijlal, are you there? Guys, there's, I think so that there's his internet connectivity issue is creating a problem right now. Just keep on holding. Okay, let me mute each and everyone. Wait. Nilufar, is it better now? Is everything clear now? Can you hear me properly? Sir Ijlal, are you there now? Hello? Sir, the voice is still not clear. Yeah, can you please speak again?
down.
Sir, the video is still paused and we are unable to hear you. Uh, I don't know what is wrong. Maybe there is some kind of internet issue from your side. Can you please disconnect and reconnect again? Guys, are you people? Can you please tell me that he disappeared again? Guys, we need to wait. Please don't leave the session until or unless he is not back. Guys, I just spoke with Sir Izdal Haider on call. He's trying to join us again. Please wait a little bit. I know it's getting very, very difficult, but we need to be a little bit patient so that he can join again. Thank you. Guys, can you hear me now? He just keep on waiting. He's trying. He's just texting me on WhatsApp. He's trying his level best to continue the session. Just wait for like next 3 to 4 minutes. If due to some reasons he is unable to connect with us, then we will discontinue this session for today. And the remaining subjects he wanted to cover, we can cover it on the next session as per his decision. So can you hear me? Sorry, Lal, can you hear me? Sorry, Lal, can you hear me? Uh, he's trying, Nilofer. He's trying, but it's not connecting due to bad internet issue. We are trying our level best to make sure that he connects this session, but I don't know what is happening here. Okay, guys, what we can do here without any further delay, uh, we need to end this session right now, and the rest of the topics and the rest of the things can be covered in the next session. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope that till the next time he will able to add the remaining parts and the next session things, and he will be able to convey the knowledge to you people as well. Thank you so much. From my side, it's I am closing the session. See you on next Friday. Thank you so much. Take care.